This is a CNC bending machine. The machine adopts a camless design and can bend steel wires with a diameter of 8 mm. The automatic steel wire payoff can bear 1,000 kilograms and is equipped with an automatic alarm function for abnormal faults. This auxiliary feeding box is equipped with an aluminum alloy hub rotating core disc to alleviate wire spinning. The machine is equipped with 14 straightening wheels and 8 wire feeding wheels, making wire changing easier. The independent CNC industrial computer is equipped with Chinese and English interfaces and is easy to operate. The machine has 8 arms, all controlled by independent servo motors. The mandrel is inlaid with tungsten steel, and the knife holder is made of special steel that has undergone special treatment and is durable. Machines can achieve product diversification.